What if I told you beginners can make $1.5 thousand a month on the side writing realtor neighborhood guides with AI? Sounds crazy, right? Most people won't believe it. I'm going to prove it. And if you already run a business, do not click away. This pays you in two ways. So there's no hype, there's no big team, there's no big budget. Just one simple idea you can copy today. So let's go. So there's two kinds of people are watching this, and it works for both. Want to start something on the side? This is your new side hustle. Already run a business? You'll use the same tool to get more done. Same tool, two ways to win. Neighborhood guides are the one piece of content agents are told to make over and over as buyers handhold, as Instagram values post, as evergreen SEO landing pages. One agent said those generally have different URLs to capitalize on SEO, and as the follow-up PDF and every lead drip. But each one is research and writing job per area, and the moment you let raw AI write it, it reads generic or worse, drifts into fair housing trouble, describing the people instead of the place. So most agents farm three areas and never produce guides that would rank and convert. So one real person said it like this: first-time home buyers need the most help in a few areas, and I would concentrate on them. Neighborhood guides, comps for property to ensure they understand its value. Maybe you feel it too. You sit down and do this one job and it eats your whole day. It matters, but it is slow and boring, and it is back again tomorrow. This is the real idea, so lean in. Here is what no one tells you. You do not have to pick fast or good. You can have both. You give the boring part to AI, you keep the part that needs a human, and that is you. No code, no team, just one prompt. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. So I built a small tool. It's called the Neighborhood Guide Writer. In plain words, paste an area name plus what you know about, get a polished, fair housing, safe neighborhood guide, and an SEO title, meta, and your social teaser in your voice in seconds. You give it what you already have, it does the hard part. Now here is how, step by step. So step one is name the area plus the buyer, the neighborhood, and who is your relocating wants walkability as an example. So step two is dump what you know. So bullet notes, vibe, commute, parks, housing, stock, price range, trade-offs. Step three is it writes the guide. Place, not people, fair housing, safe in your voice with one honest trade-off. Step four is going to be the dashboard. There's going to be a guide, SEO title, meta, social teaser, in cards, ready to copy, rerun per area. What used to take hours now takes minutes, and it looks like a pro made it. So don't just take my word for it. I fed it some messy, real input you deal with every day. A few seconds later, it handed me a finished results, ready to use, and here's what made it good. Leads with the area's identity, gives a real price range, names a true trade-off, and describes the place, never the people. It's fair value housing. It sounded like a real person on their best day, and it does that every single time. I'll show you how it happens live right here as soon as we wrap this up. So here's how you can make money with this. There's two ways. You pick yours. One is sell it as a service. Real estate agents need SEO neighborhood guides all the time, and they will pay to make it go away. Run the tool, hand them results, and charge for it. People charge $200 to $500 per guide for this. Your cost to start, $0 to start, just the free prompt. So two, use it in the business you already run. You win 5K listings from one neighborhood with an AI area guide. Either way, a few minutes of work turns into real money. So one honest note, this is not a magic button. Always read the draft and fix the one or two things only you know how to. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build this click by click, and the prompt is free. So subscribe, watch the next one, and then drop a comment. The one job you wish AI could take over your plate, I read it. I read every one. So remember, beginners can make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a month on the side writing realtor neighborhood guides with AI. So now let me show you how it works. So the neighborhood guide looks like this. You have, first of all, you have your settings right here. You can put your API key. So when you do generate this, it'll use your API and give it the information that you put in here. But you have the area, the buyer, and then you have the agent's notes for your local knowledge. Then you have agent's voice. You can do it friendly, local experts, honest, and then you generate this. So you set your API key first, then you generate this, and now you have a neighborhood guide, SEO titles that are created, social teaser. Now you can create this for yourself. You can use Claude Code and you can set this up and it'll build this right on your local machine. And let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to give you the prompt. There's going to be a link in the description, or you can comment on the X post and I'll send this to you. But this prompt is free. I'm going to give you this prompt and you just copy this to your clipboard and you put this into Claude, let it run, and it builds the dashboard for you. So inside of Claude, we're going to paste in our new code and we're going to let this run. This is going to create the dashboard for us. If you haven't gotten Claude yet, I think it's claude.ai. Go there, set this up, get yourself Claude, and you'll be able to run this. And this is all local. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about getting a server or anything like that. This will run right from your computer. So now Claude is finishing up this new tool. You can see right here, it created this, popped it right onto my computer, and let it run. So now here is the neighborhood guide writer. It changed it up a little bit from the last one that I created, because I create two and I show you one, how you can create it for this video. But right here you have your inputs, the area, the agents, and then you have the buyer and the agent's notes in here. And then it spits out this neighborhood guide. You can copy this whole guide. You can go to the SEO titles, do whatever you want with this. If you want to add new things, you can just go into Claude and just change things up. If you want to change anything in this dashboard, ask Claude to change it. Just go in here and change the area, the buyer, whatever you want to do. Change this up, and then you'll have a new dashboard. You can always add more to it, whatever you want to do. But just make sure you put in your API keys, and then you'll be able to generate this. So your settings are here: API through Claude, OpenAI, and Open Router. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. Just go there. Get this, you'll get this free prompt. You can set it up. You can run this. Within the next 5 minutes, you'll have this on your computer.